This is the garage. Welcome back. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's more video for you. This car is Chevrolet Cruise. Now this video is all about why your coolant still boiling or your coolant always keep on boiling. It is it. The cause that make your or cause your coolant to boil here after one from the gasket. When the gasket got bent, or this is cruise Chevrolet, maybe this one, the cover, the tank cover, the reservoir cover can cause your coolant keep on boiling. And then the three, when the fan sees or your fan doesn't come on time. Yes. And then four is your temperature, your thermostat, right? Yeah, your thermostat got spoiled. So this one, when your gasket got bent, that means the fan here is not working. The fan is not working, or maybe there is a leakage somewhere of the water lines or water hose. So this is what can cause your coolant always got boil whenever you start your car or in the traffic. So this is it. So you have to check up immediately. It's noted that your coolant is boiling. Send out to mechanic. Perfect. Cross check everything. If the fan is working properly, that means your head gasket has got bent. So if your head gasket has got bent, that's the main problem that's cause your coolant always got boiled. You hear that your coolant is boiling, no understand, overheating all over. With overheating always continuously, that means your gasket, but when your fan is not working properly, or it counts but doesn't come on time as regulator. This one spoiled, or motor spoiled, the fan doesn't come regular. So is it. Subscribe to it, AK Garage. I'm going to show you if your head gasket got bent. I'm going to open this car head and move the gasket, and I'll show you. So stay tuned and see. So this is the head I'm talking about. See the face? So this one, I'm going to change the gasket. This is the gasket. There is it. So this one, I have to change the gaskets of this. So you change the gasket, remove the gasket, and change it. So this is what I'm talking about here. Changing the gasket. If the gasket got bent, then your tank, but the coolant will start boiling. That means this particular one has got bent. So this is the gasket I'm talking about. So you change this one, then the overheating or the water which is boiling will stop. So this is the gasket. And you can see. Okay. Thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is a garage for you. take. So